Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about Windows 10 and Windows 11 and which one should you use in 2024. Windows 11 is the latest version of Microsoft's operating system and it's a free upgrade for Windows 10 users. However, it has stricter hardware requirements and may not be compatible with some older PCs. Windows 11 has also a new design, features and performance improvements over Windows 10. But Windows 10 will still be supported with security updates until October 14, 2025. So which one should you use? Well, it depends on your personal preferences, your PC's compatibility, and your willingness to try something new. If you're happy with Windows 10 and don't want to deal with potential bugs or compatibility issues, you can stick with it until 2025. If you're curious about Windows 11, and want to enjoy its new features and improvements, you can upgrade for free if your PC meets the requirement. You can also downgrade back to Windows 10 if you change your mind. Some of the main differences between Windows 10 and Windows 11 are the Start menu and the taskbar are centered on the center in Windows 11, making it look more like a Mac OS or Chrome OS. You can move them back to the left if you prefer, but you can't pin them to the top or the sides of the screen. Windows 11 supports running Android apps on your PC. Thanks to a partnership with Amazon and Intel, you can download Android apps from the Microsoft Store and use them alongside your Windows app. However, this feature is not available yet and will be rolled out later. Windows 11 claims to offer better gaming performance than Windows 10 thanks to features like Auto HDR, Direct Storage, and Xbox Game Pass integration. Windows 11 also supports DirectX 12 Ultimate, which enables ray tracing and other advanced graphic effects. Windows 11 adds tabs to Files Explorer, allowing you to open multiple folders in one window. It also has a new context menu and a simplified ribbon toolbar. Microsoft is reportedly planning to redesign File Explorer further in 2023, integration Microsoft services and OneDrive into it. These are just some of the highlights of Windows 11. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and reviews. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.